Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal Express checkout to your Shopify store using a web browser. Adding this option can make it easier for your customer to check out and help boost your sales. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard with your credentials. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So, once logged in, you'll be on your main Shopify dashboard. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Settings. It's located right next to the gear icon. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. This is where you manage all the payments options for your store. PayPal will be under Payments Provider section. Now to add PayPal Express checkout, here's what you need to do. In the Payment section, look for PayPal under the Payments Provider section. Click the Activate PayPal Express Checkout button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal login details. Once logged in, PayPal will ask for permission to connect your account to Shopify. Click Grant permission to complete the setup. Shopify will automatically link your PayPal account and you will be ready to accept payments via PayPal. After activating PayPal Express checkout, it's important to test the setup. You can do this by creating a test order in your store and selecting PayPal as the payment method to ensure everything is working correctly. You can also customize your how PayPal works in your store by going back to the Payments section and clicking Manage under PayPal Express Checkout. And that's it. You've successfully added PayPal Express Checkout to your Shopify store. This will give your customers a fast and secure way to pay, which is great for boosting conversions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.